Welcome people, bots and algos of the interwebs. This is the Thursday edition of the Analyst. Today we're looking at weather observation station 19 on HackerRank. Problem is, consider P1 A and C, P2 B and D to be the 2 points on a 2D plane where A and B are respective minimum and maximum values of the northern latitude, lat N, and C and D are the respective minimum and maximum values of western longitude, long W, in station, in a table called station. Query the Euclidean distance between points P1 and P2, and the format of your answer should display 4 decimal digits. This is the table called station, where in this table lat N is the northern latitude and long W is the western longitude. So what is Euclidean distance in mathematics? The Euclidean distance between 2 points in Euclidean space is the length of the line segment between them. It can be calculated from the Cartesian coordinates of the points using the Pythagorean theorem, and therefore occasionally it's called the Pythagorean distance. So consider this to be P and P1 and P2. We need to calculate this distance. So let us start. Well, I've already scripted out the code. So the cast function converts an expression from one data type to another data type. Because the decimal, why did it say 9,6? It's actually supposed to be 9,4. I'll try something out. Well, it's supposed to be 4. Decimal, because you are casting as a decimal, that's why it reads as decimal. The decimal means the decimal 9.4, 9,4 means that there can be up to 9 digits before the period. You see this 4 here? That's the magic one. The comma 4 means that there can be 4 digits after the period, which is required in the problem statement. Okay. So what's the difference between SQRT and square? SQRT is the function to square the whole sum. Square is a variable name. So run this. And we've passed the sample test case 0. So maybe I didn't explain before why you are squaring, why you are having minimum and maximum, with the minimum and maximum of latitude and longitude. So the distance formula for a 2D dimension. 2D dimensions mean 2D plane. As scripted there, 2D plane is a 2D dimension. The equation for that is as follows.